Hello guys, welcome to Connecticut Parking here in Green Hills, San Juan City. This is Connecticut Street guys. Iikot natin yung guys, itong Connecticut Parking. Tapos mag right turn tayo dito sa bababa para makita ninyo ang kabuuan ng Shopsville. Yung may parking guys sa O Square yan. Then mag right turn tayo, Shopsville na. Ito na yung bagong Shopsville. Ayan guys, Shopsville na guys. Ikot pa natin guys, Shopsville yan. Ito yung Shopsville parking guys. Kompleto yun ang mga stores dito sa Green Hills Shopping Center. Alright guys, ikot pa tayo guys. Ikot pa tayo dito sa Green Hills. Ito yung sa my right side, ang Connecticut parking. Hanggang ano yan guys, first, second, third, ayun, hanggang roof deck yan guys, ang Connecticut parking. Kaya pag pumunta kayo dito guys, walang problema sa parking. Dami dyan sa taas. Pasok ka lang dito guys, itong nakalagay P4, entrance niya yan guys. Yan yung entrance. Pwede rin dyan ang motorcycles. Ang luwang dyan guys. No problem for parking here. Ang luwang dito sa Green Hills Shopping Center guys. Yes, ganda ng panahon guys Then later, after nun, uulan na naman to guys. Ganda ng skies. Yan, back na naman tayo sa guys, Connecticut Street. Yung sa may mga bahay sa left side guys, yan yung S Green Hills. FYI lang guys, part pa yan ng Mandaluyong City. Tapos dito sa right side guys, San Juan City to guys, ito. Then dito sa left side is Mandaluyong City. Ayan guys, Green Hills S Village Gate 1. Ayan guys, ikot na naman tayo guys, umikot. Ganda ng weather ngayon here in Green Hills Shopping Center, GH Green Hills. Yeah. Good morning guys. Good morning Green Hills guys. Kompleto dito sa Green Hills guys. Sarap kumain here. Sarap kumain. Alright guys, thank you. Ayan ang galing GS Green Hills. Exciting lineup is rolling in. Galing. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.